May the Triple Gem bless you. Good morning to you all. Welcome to another episode of this series. The expectation of this series is to reveal the true hidden talents of our college to the world to make this world a better place. This is the first time we are doing an episode in English. I'm so excited, not only me, but also my two talented guests who's featuring in this episode. So let's get started. So welcome Shihan and Buddhima to this episode. First of all, can we have a brief explanation about yourself, about the name, your class, and briefly about yourself?
Good morning. I'm Buddhim Vijayavardhana. I'm 15 years and currently studying in grade 11F.
I am Chandananda. I am 16 years old. I am studying in grade 11 English medium.
It is not possible for someone to go far in this field without any interest that happened recently. So, how did that interest happen and when did it happen?
Yes, Lahindu. Since I was 8, I made simple projects and made simple gadgets. I got interested in electronics by watching lot of videos on YouTube. At that time, they were magical things to me. When I was in grade 7 and 8, I made a Bluetooth car, obstacle avoidance cars by the help of YouTube. At that time, I saw videos of robotic competitions. After that, I got the interest to make robots and compete them in competitions.
It's very much similar to what Shihan has said about his interest in robotics. Shihan has started his activities in robotics when he was 8 years old, but I have started activities in robotics when I was 9. After that, just because of the lust, I had in robotics, we took part in many competitions.
As we all know, in the time we are living, there are so many resources to help yourself. So, how did you develop yourself and how did you get the help out of them?
Yes, Lakindu. In grade 6, I made an obstacle avoidance car. In 2018, when I was in grade 7, I made a Bluetooth car. And in grade 9, I invented sanitization station. And in 2021, I invented Scientist Station 2.0. And I learned mobile application development and software development to control hardware. Then I was able to succeed my journey in robotics.
So today, here we have some creations that you have innovated, if I use the correct word. So what do you have today to surprise us?
My innovation is a saline machine.
Can you briefly explain the purpose of these innovations you made?
It was built for health sector to use in critical situations like insufficient staff, a higher number of patients, and threat of being exposed for infected patients.
So, what are the special abilities and features which is consistent in these innovations you made?
So this is a remotely controllable saline liquid medicine dispensing machine with full-time remote monitoring and alerting. We can control the flow of saline. We can dispense liquid medicine. We can get real-time graphical analysis of medicine and saline. It can display the remaining levels of saline and medicine, and this can handle a vaccine cost too.
So, Buddhima, I just wanted to ask you about the special achievement.
I participated in 4 competitions with this innovation. I was managed to become the finalist in HackXJR 2021 organized by University of Colombo. Then I emerged 3rd place from Innovations for Tomorrow competition organized by Sri Lanka Medical Association. Then again placed 2nd in Future 21 competition. Finally became the bronze winner of Sahasak Nimeum 2021 conducted by SLIC. Now I am talking about robotic competitions I participated. The first competition I participated was a robot battle called Maker Fair conducted by American Corner. I participated it with Idamagodaya. We were the champions. Next was 2019 Slit RoboFest. We managed to become finalists in that competition. Then we were champions from SEUS 19 competition. In the same year, we placed 3rd from Exotics 19 competition organized by University of Ruhuna.
So, Shihan, also from you, I got to hear about a competition you participated which was organized by NASA. So, that is stunning though. So, let's speak about that as well.
Yes, Lakindu. In 2021, me and my team participated in NASA Space Apps. After that, we designed a mechanism to convert sulfur dioxide to oxygen to avoid the global warming, and we got an honored award from NASA as galactic problem solvers, and I am the lead of the team.
Can you briefly explain the purpose of these innovations you made?
Yes. So, due to the current pandemic in the country, the COVID-19 virus spreads through physical objects in the society. So, I came across an idea to avoid the physical contact through the virus, and I invented Sanitizer Station 2.0. In that invention, I mainly targeted employees in an office. So, the employees in the office must use a tag or enter their employee ID in the machine. So, after entering the details or tapping the employee card, sanitize will dispense your hand. And after that, if you want a surgical mask by a sensor, you can get a surgical mask without any contact. After that, when sanitizing your hands, the machine will automatically capture the body temperature of the employee. And finally, the employee data, if the employee has sanitized or not, dispensed a surgical mask or not, and the body temperature will uploaded to a remote database, and the office manager can remotely monitor the employees data, such as whether they have sanitized, have used a surgical mask, or and their body temperature. And as well as that, there is a mobile application for my dispenser. Using the mobile application as well, you can monitor the employees data as well.
So, what are the other competitions you participated, and can we speak about the achievements you gained from them?
In 2021, I won the second place from HackX Junior All Island Invention Competition organized by the University of California, and second place from the invention competition organized by the Sri Lankan Medical Health Association, and first place on Future 21 All Island Invention Competition organized by Colombo Royal. And in 2021, I became All Island first from Sahasak Nimayum All Island Innovation Competition organized by Sri Lanka Inventors Commission. And there were four first places, and I am honored to be one of them. And there is an Dasis Award evaluation for four of us, and it will be given by His Excellency the President in the near future.
What are the competitions you hope to participate in the near future?
We hope to participate in Techno-Ocean International Robotics Competition under the categories Fast Line Follower, Robot Soccer and Robo Race, and also Sahasak Nememu 2022. And I am planning to compete in the Underwater Robotics Championship in Singapore. And in 2023, there will be an Innovation Expo in Abu Dhabi, and I will also compete in it.
You guys should be buzzing over what you have achieved so far. So, what are your real thoughts on what you have achieved in the life?
I am proud where I am today compared where I started. However, I have more to achieve in this journey.
I am really proud of myself that I remember the day when I started robotics and now. So there's a huge progress in my journey, and I am planning to learn further about software development and mobile application development and hardware controlling.
Can we speak about the future expectations, your ambitions? What are the goals you have set for your future?
My ambition is to be a mechatronic engineer. My future goal is making my own business in this field.
My ambition is to be a software engineer at NASA, and I have made a special brand for me, and it's Axtech Technologies. And each and every creation that I make is under the name Axtech, and I am planning to make my own company one day, a software company. So I have already started my work to make my dream a success, and I am planning to develop more softwares and mobile applications to control hardwares and robotics.
As I have learned, I know that the environment is better, the child will grow physically and mentally. Do you believe in that, and who are the people that supported in you in this journey?
Well, I believe in that. My mother supported me financially. Then Nadungannoru Ayya guided me with invaluable instructions. Also, a special thanks goes to our most venerable principal Thero and teacher in charge Sanjana Gurutumi. They supported me with this journey towards progress.
First of all, I need to thank my father who helped me financially and my mother, and Mr. Nadungannoru who guided me through my robotics and software development journey to make it a success. And I thank our venerable principal Thero and my IT teacher Sanjana Gurutumi who guided me and helped me to succeed my robotics journey.
So unfortunately, the time catches up. We have to wind up our program. Thank you, Shihan and Buddhimam. Thank you very much for joining us for today's episode.
Thank you for giving us this opportunity.
Thank you for giving us this opportunity, Lakindu, to introduce our inventions.
And of course, this is not the end of everything. Hope to meet you very soon from another episode. Until then, goodbye. I'm Lakindu Javardhana from Media Unit of Sri Chandananda Buddhist College. May the Triple Gem bless you.